Come on in. As I said, the works is still going on, so you'll see a lot of stuff laying around there. And this is the laundry room. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom duplex, and the works is still going on. As you could see, the cabinets are done, so the bench tops will be done shortly, and then the laundry is also underway. It's not fully complete yet. And this is the backyard. The gardener is doing his stuff at the moment. We are putting some new fence there, trying to plant some more new plants and give it a fresh new look. And that's the ground floor: a lounge, dining, kitchen, laundry, and a half toilet.